Hi everyone, today I am showing you a fat burner drink which will help you to make your belly flat within 6 days. Yes, within 6 days you will see the incredible change in your waistline. This drink not only help you in reduce fat but also it will maintain your body's water balance on hot days as well. The ingredient which you required for this drink is water, cucumber, lime or lemon, ginger, and mint. Before I start, let me talk about some important thing regarding these ingredients. So the first ingredient is lemon. Lemon is not only a good source of vitamin C, but it's also help you in weight loss and improve your skin quality. Plus it's freshen your breath and improve your digestion as well. Plus lemon with warm water helps in maintaining the pH balance of the body, and with its powerful antibacterial properties, lemon helps fight infections. The next fat burner ingredient is ginger. For weight loss, a good digestive system is must. By adding ginger in your diet, improve your metabolism and keep your digestive system on track. It also reduces the risk of the heart disease by balancing the cholesterol level in the body. Plus the presence of vitamin A and C in ginger improve the texture of your hair. Also, high blood sugar levels can induce hunger and lead to overeating. Ginger in water manage the blood sugar levels and subsequently control the urge to eat. Moreover, one study also found that overweighted men who consume ginger stay fuller longer. The next one is the cucumber. Cucumber are great for a flat belly as it make you feel full and also keeps you hydrated. The most important, it boosts the bone health as they are high in vitamin K. It has zero fat and low calories. Also, they are great for cooling the skin. In fact, cucumber in water can help you to cut most major calories from your diet and give a very nice taste when it infused in water. Moreover, cucumber have surprising amount of nutrition. One cucumber contain vitamin A, vitamin B6 and vitamin C, as well as magnesium and calcium. The last but not the least is mint. Mint is an essential part of aromatherapy. Its strong and refreshing smell could help to reduce stress and refresh mind. It also releases a small amount of serotonin in the mind that may help beat depression. Regular intake of mint leaves is highly recommended for asthmatic patients as it acts as a good relaxant and ease chest congestion. Plus the cooling properties of mint leaves helps to soothe irritated nose and also provide relief from sore throat and cough. Moreover, mint leaves are effectively low in calories. 2 tablespoons of fresh mint leaves in water provide only 2 calories. This herb in water make an ideal drink for flat belly and weight loss. Now let me show you how you can make this fat burner drink. First you will need to add 2 liters of lukewarm water in a clean jug. Here I have 1 tablespoon of pressed ginger. You can also cut this in a thin slices. So you need to add this around 1 tablespoon. These are 9 to 10 slices of cucumber. I am adding this one now. Then you need to add 5 to 6 slices of lemon. These are fresh mint leaves. You need to add this one around 3 tablespoons or 15 to 18 leaves. Now here I am squeezing the half lemon. You will need to add this half lemon juice in the water. It will make your drink very effective for the weight loss or flat belly. Now mix all the ingredients well and let them infuse in the water for around 4 hours. If you follow this diet for around 6 days without any skip, you will find a remarkable change in your body. Plus, It is advised to not consume oily food. Try to put more vegetables and fresh fruits in your diet. Try this diet strictly and I'm sure you will see some incredible result. Please share your likes and comment in the comment box. Also subscribe my channel for more healthy videos and weekly updates. Thank you.